Hello everyone. Today I will introduce how to install Python 3 interpreter and PyCharm IDE on macOS. So first, go into the Launchpad. Go to the other file group and find the terminal app. Now click on the app. You should go to this page. Now we are in the terminal window. First, we should check if we have already installed Python interpreter. We can use the following commands to do that. Python --version. The return string shows Python is not installed. Then we can type Python 3 --version. We can see that Python 3 command is not installed either, and macOS will prompt us to install the command line development tools, which contains Python 3 interpreter. Click on the install button. Now it is going to start installing. This process will take around 10 minutes. So in the meantime, we'll be installing PyCharm. So first, we're going to open Safari and we're going to search PyCharm. Now we're going to click on the first one. It'll lead you to a page that lets you download PyCharm for professionals. PyCharm for professionals is not free, so we're going to use the community edition, which is free. So press the download button and then scroll down. It will give you the PyCharm Community Edition download. It is free. Now you just have to press download and then allow it to download. After it's done downloading, just click on it and press it. Now just drag the PyCharm CE icon into the applications. Now press the eject button on the PyCharm disk. PyCharm was installed successfully. This dialog shows that the Python 3 interpreter has been installed as well. Now we go back to the terminal to check if it was installed. We use the same command again. Now we are confident that Python was installed. Now we can try to run PyCharm for the first time. Again, we're going to open Launchpad and we're going to find PyCharm. Now we'll ask this, so just press open. On your initial launch, PyCharm will show the terms of user agreement window. So now we can just press I confirm and continue. PyCharm will be checking, and after it's done, it should load. Now that it's loaded, we can just press new project. And we can choose a location for the project. Now that we have created the first project, we can run the demo code. Just press the run button and it should work. It should output hi PyCharm. Now that you can see that PyCharm is working normally, you can use it for other programs. This is all for today. See you next time.